Hello and welcome. Before we begin the installation process of MongoDB, I would like to let you know that the installation of MongoDB is optional. If you prefer to not install MongoDB, you can use this following link: www.tutorials.com/mongodb_terminal_online.php. Click on this link or open the link, and you will be directed to a MongoDB platform. Within a few seconds, the MongoDB shell will load and you are now ready to begin working. That's it, if you choose to not do an installation. The pros of this is that it is easy to access and there's no download necessary. However, there's a few cons. The cons of this is that your database that you create and the collections within the database will not be saved. So every time you continue with the course, you will have to reopen this page and reload the database. I will provide you with a source code with all of the database code, so you can always copy the code and paste it in this window. I will provide that to you later in this course. However, just keep in mind that if you choose to not download MongoDB, which I recommend, I do recommend you download MongoDB because it is a very easy installation. It takes less than 5 minutes, and this way all of your work will always be saved. But I created this course in a way that if you do not download MongoDB, you will have enough time to complete each lecture inside of this platform. I try to create each video to be 15 to 20 minutes or even much less. This will give you enough time to work inside of this platform and to avoid the platform possibly losing connection or the project being too long that you're constantly typing or repasting a lot of code. So this is why I've made the course less than 6 hours, and I've tried to make each lecture less than 20 minutes. So if you download MongoDB, wonderful. But if you cannot download MongoDB, you can still take this course and you can still do all of the work inside of this platform. In the next video, we will continue by learning the installation process for MongoDB on a Mac computer. Then, there will be another video of how to download MongoDB on a Windows computer. Please select whichever works best for you: the tutorial, Windows, or Mac. Once you've completed or you've made your choice, you can then begin the course in section 2. I will see you then. Thank you.